Introducing the American Electrical Crimp Kit. This quality-built rugged kit includes insulated wire ferrules from 24 to 10 AWG. This kit also includes this quality wire stripper and cutter, the Strip 2810, as well as the ratcheting wire ferrule crimping tool, the Trap 2410. This is the ideal kit for technicians, the factory floor, prototyping, production, and much more.
Hi, this is Tom McCormick, President of American Electrical Incorporated in Richmond, Virginia. I want to thank you for trusting us with your business. We pride ourselves on responding quickly, delivering quality, internationally approved product on time, every time, at a competitive price. When you think inside the box, think American Electrical, your trusted industrial control component partner. Thank you.